Hello, my fashion lovers. Welcome to my channel. This is Sue with Shioma. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. On this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a gathered skirt, how to gather your skirt, your fabric, or any material you want to gather. I'll be showing you how to gather it, how to stitch it down so that the gathered parts will come out very well. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I post videos every week. I have videos on how to make corsets and other videos on my channel. Please try and check my channel and learn. All right, let's start by, you have to get your fabric, your any fabric at all you want to gather. You have to get the long fabric, and you're going to put your machine, you're going to put it on the highest stitch. You turn it to the highest stitch, to the longest stitch. The longest stitch on this machine is 5, so you turn it to the longest stitch and you go ahead and stitch it down so that you can be able to stitch it, you can be able to draw it. It will be easier for you to draw. You just go ahead and sew it. Do not backstitch. When you are sewing, do not backstitch. Go ahead and sew your fabric. Do not backstitch so that you can be able to draw the thread. Do not backstitch. And now, after stitching your thread, you're going to take one strand of the thread. You have 2 thread there. Just pick one strand of the thread and you go ahead and draw it. Go ahead and draw the thread. Keep pushing it. As you're pushing the fabric, the thread is coming out. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it, and you have to take it easy so that you don't cut your thread, because once you cut your thread, you're going to start again from the beginning. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing your fabric. While holding the thread, keep pushing the fabric. Keep pushing your fabric. Keep pushing your fabric while holding the thread. And when you get to a point, you can start again from the other side. You can start from the other side. Keep pushing it. You're going to gather everything. Gather it until you don't have anything to gather again. You keep gathering until you gather the whole fabric. Now you have gathered the whole fabric, and now you are going to distribute it evenly. You are going to distribute it evenly. You go ahead and distribute it using your tape to get the measurement of whatever you are sewing. If it's your waist measurement, you use your waist. As you're distributing it, you're giving it, make sure that what you're distributing, they are equal. They are equal. Go ahead and distribute until you get the measurements you want. Until you get the measurements you want, and as you're distributing, you measure to make sure you have the measurements you're looking for. You keep doing it, keep distributing until you get the measurements you're looking for. The number of fabric you're going to gather depends on how full you want your gathers to be. It depends on how full you want your gathers to be. That will determine the amount of fabric you're going to use for your gathers, depending on what you want to sew to. Then once you have gotten the measurements you need, you go ahead and arrange it. Go ahead and arrange it. Go ahead and arrange it and stitch it down so that it will stay in a place. Go ahead and stitch it down. Make sure it's arranged very well. Arrange it very well and go ahead and stitch it down. As you're stitching it, make sure you are arranging it. You keep stitching, keep arranging, and keep stitching it down. At this point, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share my video, and ask your questions in the comment section. You can go ahead and backstitch. Go ahead and backstitch, and this is what you have. You have your gathers arranged instead of scattered, having scattered gathers. Your gathers is arranged properly. You see how it came out? It's arranged properly. And on this note, this is where we'll be ending the tutorial of today, and see you next time for another interesting tutorial. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.